how late Boxycharm is this month. This is crazy. I even asked you guys if you still wanted to see the video before I even recorded it. You guys said yes. We'll be unboxing Boxycharm's Base Box for February 2021. A lot of you guys have said you've been disappointed with this month's box. Let's see if it was worth the wait. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Just in case you haven't heard of Boxycharm, it's a monthly subscription. You pay $25 for the base box. You get 5 full-size items, skincare, makeup. So let's see what we have here. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Let's see what it looks like inside. I hope this is good. I forgot this month was Valentine's Day. That's how much I really don't care about Valentine's Day. Well, this is a really cute card. It says Boxycharm XOXO. We have the stuff here. I really don't want to look at it. I want it to be a surprise. Ooh, okay. I'm excited. This is the first product here is a skincare product. I've heard so many people talk about Tula. I always wanted to try it, so this is amazing. This is the So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. It's cruelty-free, 2.89 ounce, and is made in the USA. Probiotics and superfoods. Packaging is super cute. I just love colorful stuff like that. I think this will really work for my skin type. It retails for $32. Pores, get this, created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. Ooh, I don't know about witch hazel. The scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Like purple, do you see that? What's the next thing? So we're already $32. This box is $25. So look at this. Brushes. I hope they're nice. And it comes like with a little pouch. This is by Glamier, I believe it is. Look how cute it is. Your Pink Looks Glitter Eye Brush Collection, $29.95. I hope it's nice and it doesn't look like too childish or something. Smells like plastic, of course. Look how cute. I like that it comes in a little bag. So fun. This is something I would have like died for when I was a kid. Do you see that? I would have so died for this. But this is nice. I don't know, first impressions, it doesn't look like super high-end, super crazy, but you don't know how they're gonna perform. Full brushes. You have this one, which is so tiny. This would be awesome, like to put, like if you want to smudge like an eye shadow, like using it as eyeliner or in the bottom. They look really childish, yes. And they have this one. This would be like, this would be an awesome one also, like if you want to draw like winged liner, or if you want to use it for your brows. This one, it looks perfect. They feel soft since it's a little flat to like pack on color. Glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. This I don't know if this will be good for me. This looks like it's going on a giveaway. Beauty Crop Cocoa Gold Mist, made in China, cruelty-free and vegan. Fine mist envelops skin in moisture and helps to refresh your makeup look. Cocoa Gold Mist includes a delicate amount of a gold pearlescent shimmer that imparts a radiant glow while boosting hydration. This retails for $14.99, again by the Beauty Crop. It says to shake well before using. Alcohol free, paraben free. This is so pretty, and it feels super heavy too. What is this? Bio Beauty, the Perfect Primer. This retails for $32. This is a 1 ounce, made in Canada. Okay. Moisturizing primer with a matte finish. Okay, I hope so, because I am very oily, so I need matte. Create a smooth base for your foundation and help it last all day. With everyday use, your skin will experience the benefits of great ingredients like green tea to soothe the skin and minimize the appearance of pores while reducing any redness. I love green tea. It says smooth the dye size of primer over clean moisturized skin. Let's see how it feels, if it feels oily, sticky. Okay, so it looks like if it was like heavy duty, like you see, like it doesn't disappear immediately after blending it out. Like you definitely have to spread it a bit No fragrance again, so that's a plus. You can see that it feels moisturizing. Like I said, it wasn't super light, and it feels completely matte, not greasy, not oily, no residue. Okay, I'm pretty excited to use this now. Oh my god, yes, the best for last. I saw someone receive this now that I remember, and I was hoping that I would get this. Is by Wonder Beauty. I've tried a lot, maybe like a year ago, this Wonder Beauty highlighter, and I swear it's the beautifulest thing I have ever used. Now this is an face palette. I love a face palette. This retails for $36. This is made in Taiwan. It's cruelty free. It says your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, a highlighter, enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Putting these things up really like messes up my nails. I hate it. Just take it out of here. I can't quite remember what it looked like. Oh my god, this is pretty. I'm so gonna do a review of like these separately, so definitely subscribe if you're interested in that. I'll do a review and try this out for you. Ooh, wow, this looks pretty. So it comes like with a little film. This comes with a mirror, and look at this. So pretty. These colors look like super neutral, but they have some here that really catch my attention. Imagine all over the lid, especially like if you wet it or if you put concealer first to cut the crease and then these. Oh, I'm sure it's gonna pop. Is this the same highlighter that I said I was obsessed with? I really hope so. And then you have this blush. It's not like my go-to color for blushes. I'm more of a peach, apricot, coral. This looks pink, but I will definitely give that a try. The highlighter is called After Hours. This blush is called Day Trip, and then you have your 6 shadows there. Perfect for traveling. If you're into these shades, I think it'll work for several skin tones. I will have to see how it shows up on the skin. Wait, thinking about it, I got a lot of skincare here. I don't know about that. These are like the only things that like warrant skincare. 3 skincare. I would have preferred 3 makeup items and 2 skincare, but okay, we'll see how next month goes. I'm really excited for these 3 things. This number 1, I think. This number 2. Once I read Witch Hazel, this went to like number 3. But yeah, I'm excited for these 3. This will be going in a giveaway. Stay tuned. And the brushes are nice. I'll definitely give them a try. Let's add up this box. $136. Pretty good. So did my Ipsy unboxing. If you guys want to see, that whole Ipsy bag is going for a giveaway. It ends at the end of this month. Let me know if you received your bag, if you liked anything. Was it a good bag or not? Just write in the comments yes or no. I will be having a TJ Maxx vlog coming soon, maybe in 2 days. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.